Introduction to uBlock Origin.
uBlock Origin is a powerful free browser extension that helps you block online trackers, ads, and malicious scripts. By preventing unwanted connections, it not only cleans up your browsing experience, but also greatly enhances your online privacy. In this guide, you'll learn how to install and set up uBlock Origin for ultra-private web browsing.
Installing uBlock Origin.
Start by visiting your browser's extension or add-on store, such as Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons. Search for uBlock Origin and ensure you choose the official version by Raymond Hill. Click Add to Browser or Install. After installation, you'll see the uBlock Origin icon in your browser's toolbar, confirming that it's active.
Understanding the dashboard.
Click on the uBlock Origin icon to open its control panel. Here, you can see statistics about blocked items and access the dashboard for deeper settings. The dashboard offers multiple tabs: Settings, Filter Lists, and My Filters. It's the central hub for customizing how uBlock Origin protects you from tracking, ads, and more.
Choosing and updating filter lists.
Your filter lists are crucial for privacy. In the dashboard's Filter Lists tab, you'll find several pre-selected lists that block ads, trackers, and known malware sites. For ultra privacy, enable extra privacy-focused lists, such as Easy Privacy. Regularly update filter lists by clicking the Update Now button, ensuring you stay protected against new trackers.
Configuring advanced privacy settings.
For greater privacy, explore the Settings tab. Turn on features like Prevent WebRTC from leaking local IP addresses and Block Remote Fonts. Consider enabling uBlock Origin's Strict Blocking Mode, which stops third-party scripts by default. Adjusting these options helps maximize your privacy, but be aware that some websites may not function fully with stricter settings.
Staying private while browsing.
With uBlock Origin enabled and properly configured, your browser blocks most ads and trackers by default. If a website isn't working correctly, you can temporarily disable uBlock Origin from the icon or allow specific elements. For the best privacy, combine uBlock Origin with privacy-respecting browsers and avoid adding unnecessary extensions that could undermine your protection.
Conclusion: browsing safely with uBlock Origin.
uBlock Origin offers a robust layer of defense for anyone seeking greater online privacy. By installing, selecting the right filter lists, and configuring privacy options, you take important steps to protect your data and enjoy a cleaner, safer web experience. Explore its dashboard to fine-tune your setup and make private browsing a daily habit.